Alright, I got a new little booklet that I'm trying to create. I already created these blank ones. That you can fill in with your own useful survival and sustainability or DIY information, because information is the most valuable thing on the planet already. I've been trying to make information-based alternative currencies. I used Kickstarter to try to fund a credit card-sized and looking survival guide for communities here a couple years ago. I was unsuccessful in funding it, but I persevered in raising the funds myself outside the platform and got that survival credit card out to people for free. It's on our website, on my website, 123homefree.org. Or you can check out wikicurrency.com. That's what I'm calling this. It's called Wikicurrency, and I haven't filled this out with the information on how I process acorns. It was just an example of one of the things that I'm going to fill out and then photocopy and add the specific how-to information, the PDF file for this, to my website, along with a growing number of other topics for people to print out. One of the things that I'm really trying to get for them to be able to print out there is a field guide. I'm trying to get this to have the wild edible plant information that I have in my credit card looking survival guide. I want it to be transferred over onto this booklet, and I don't think that it should cost the graphic designer much more than $300, because it only took them a little over $50 to make this blank template. So having them transfer over my wild edible plant photos and information shouldn't cost much more, because the basic measuring and balancing out of the pages in the template is already done. So yeah, I'm trying to raise like $300 is what I'm thinking, to have my wild edible plant photos and information that I already have transferred over onto this booklet that looks like $1 instead of a credit card. And I hope that I can receive enough support to get this done sooner than later. Then I was just forced to be patient with the last time that I tried to fund that community booklet. Yeah, wikicurrency.com, 123homefree.org. Those are the two websites you can check out. Thank you for your support.